We pulled a Tyranitar, so we got a double rare pack. Let's go. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Pokemon Celebrations Collection Lance's Charizard V-Box. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. You can see our promo cards, some of the celebration packs are included. There are 2 additional Pokemon booster packs that are included. Love seeing all the different logo and brandings that we have here with the 25th Celebrations logo and Charizard and obviously Pokemon trading card game logo. You can see it from this side. You can see it from that side. I mean, it looks really cool with the Charizard graphic on the front. Same with the back side. It walks you through all the included contents as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature on our owner's Pokemon, which is the Lance's Charizard V. We also have our online code card. Next, you can see we have our regular size Lance's Charizard V right here. Looks great. You can see the back side of it too. Really nice looking card. And then we have our oversized version. Same thing, just jumbo. Love those jumbo cards. And then we have our booster pack. So first up, we have 4 celebrations packs consisting of 4 cards each. They're all identical to each other. And next you can see we have our Darkness Ablaze pack with our Charizard on it. And we have a Battle Styles pack right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and see what we get. All right, so first up, let's go ahead, let's open up our Battle Styles pack. All right, so first up, you can see our energy. Couple of trainers, Electabuzz. Getting closer. Tepig. Murkrow. All right, Cubone, one of the OGs. Oh, we got a Cheryl reverse holo trainer and a Marowak. But we got the Cubone too, so that's cool. So for our rare, we actually have both stages, which is pretty neat. So that's cool. Non-holo though, but check that out. I'm happy with that. Now let's go ahead. Let's open up our Darkness Ablaze pack. Let's pull that Charizard. That would be so cool. All right, so here we go. You can see our energy. Rowlet. Wishy-washy. Cufant. All right. Ooh, reverse holo rare. Let's go. Dival. And Tyranitar. We pulled a Tyranitar, so we got a double rare pack. Let's go. Reverse holo Dival, and we pulled a Tyranitar. Holo. Let's go. All right, now let's go ahead. Let's open up our first celebrations pack. Can we pull any of the big 3? That's what I want to do here. Let's go ahead. What the? All right. That might be, did I just screw that up? Was that our, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so here we go. Check it out. Dialga and a Mewtwo EX. All right. All right, 1 down, 3 to go. Can we get the big 3 at all? See what's in this pack. All right, so we'll flip it over. We got a Mew, Reshiram, Ho-Oh, and all right, check it out. Gardevoir. I'm going to butcher that name. But what a cool looking card. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. Let's see what we get in this pack. These are a lot of fun to open. I wish they had more than 4 cards. Love opening the celebration packs. Okay, code card. And then you can see we're going to swap right here. A Flying Pikachu VMAX. Love that. And All right, 3 down, 1 to go. Can we get some last pack magic right here? Let's see what we got. Professor's Research, Vital, Reshiram, and you can see we got a Zekrom. Check that card out. So check it out. Here's all of our pulls. I'm happy with the outcome here, especially because we're guaranteeing 2 Charizards up front with the promo cards. I was pleasantly surprised with our Darkness Ablaze opening. We got 2 rares. One's a reverse holo rare. The other one's a Tyranitar holo, which is really a cool card. And then you can see all of our celebrations pulls. We actually got a good variety, only doubling up 1 time with our Reshirams. So I like the Flying Pikachu VMAX. I think the Mewtwo EX is probably my favorite out of this because I haven't pulled that before. And I've opened quite a few celebrations packs. The Zekrom's are really a cool card too. If you're after that one, you'll like that pull here. And you can see our Gardevoir. Also a pretty neat and cool card. So we got some great pulls. Really happy with this box and collection overall. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.